Welcome to Review Rumble. The best eyebrow tamer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in achieving a polished and put-together look, capable of transforming unruly brows into perfectly sculpted arches that frame your face beautifully and enhance your overall appearance with minimal effort, making it an indispensable addition to any makeup routine for those seeking flawless definition and long-lasting hold. Number 5. NYX Professional Makeup The Brow Glue. Introducing the Brow Glue from NYX Professional Makeup. It's an extreme hold eyebrow gel designed to keep your brows in place all day long. Experience an extreme hold that lasts. This clear gel provides incredible staying power for your eyebrows, no matter what your day brings. Achieve flawless brows with ease. The Brow Glue offers a strong, reliable hold that shapes and defines your arches effortlessly. Enjoy a clear finish with no visible residue. This formula works seamlessly to enhance your natural brow look without flaking or stiffness. Make it your go-to solution for perfect brows. The Brow Glue is the ultimate tool for achieving sculpted and long-lasting eyebrow styles. What we like. This product offers extreme hold for your brows. It dries quickly and leaves a clear finish. If you want your brows to stay in place all day without looking stiff, this is the one for you. What people say. This eyebrow tamer is amazing. It holds my brows in place all day long without feeling sticky or stiff. I love how this tamer shapes my brows perfectly, giving them a natural yet defined look. The brush applicator is designed for precise application, making it easy to tame even the most unruly hairs. Number 4. LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect brows. This versatile kit is designed to help you achieve natural, full-looking eyebrows with ease. Never worry about smudging or fading again. Its waterproof and smudge-proof formula ensures your look stays flawless all day long, no matter the conditions. This kit includes a brow pencil, pomade, and eyeliner, along with a brow brush. You have everything you need to define, fill, and shape your eyebrows precisely. Effortlessly create natural-looking, full brows that enhance your features. Achieve a polished and defined appearance that lasts. The rich dark brown shade is perfect for a variety of hair colors, providing a natural and beautiful finish. It's designed to complement your natural beauty. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a bold statement, this kit is your ultimate tool. Experience the convenience and quality for stunning eyebrows every time. What we like. This is a versatile 4-in-1 kit. It's waterproof and long-lasting, perfect for busy days. If you need a complete solution for defined brows and eyeliner that won't budge, this kit is ideal. What people say. The brush is firm and holds the brow hairs in place. It tames unruly brows and keeps them looking neat all day. The gel formula is lightweight and doesn't leave a sticky residue. Number 3. Mott Queen of the Fill Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Achieve beautifully full-looking brows with ease. This tinted gel enhances your natural shape for a complete look. Find your ideal match with our light medium brown shade. It perfectly complements your hair color for a natural finish. Enjoy smudge-proof and water-resistant where that lasts. Your brows will stay perfectly in place from morning to night. This formula effectively covers gray hairs, giving your brows a youthful and vibrant appearance. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can look great and be kind. Get the fuller brows you desire in just a few seconds. It's the quick and easy way to perfect your arches. What we like. This tinted gel fills in sparse areas and covers grays beautifully. It's water-resistant and cruelty-free. If you're looking for fuller-looking brows with added color and gray coverage, this is a great choice. What people say. This eyebrow tamer is very effective in keeping my brows in place all day long. The design of the applicator allows for precise application, ensuring every hair is tamed without clumping. It dries clear and doesn't leave any sticky residue, which is great for a natural look. Number 2. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow Pomade, Dark Brown. Achieve perfectly defined brows with our innovative eyebrow pomade. Its rich pigment ensures a natural look that lasts all day. Enjoy smudge-proof and sweat-resistant where that stays put, no matter your activity. It's designed to withstand your day without fading or smearing. Our waterproof formula guarantees your brows remain flawless even in humid or wet conditions. You can trust it to keep its shape and color. Experience intense color payoff with a natural-looking finish. This highly pigmented formula glides on smoothly for effortless application. Formulated for all skin types and tones, it delivers beautiful results for everyone. Achieve your desired brow look with ease and confidence. Get long-lasting definition that enhances your natural beauty. It's the perfect solution for brows that look great from morning to night. What we like. This pomade is highly pigmented and sweat-resistant. It creates beautifully defined brows. If you desire bold, sculpted brows that last through workouts or humid weather, this product is perfect. What people say. This Eyebrow Tamer is a game changer for unruly brows. It holds them in place all day without feeling stiff or sticky. I love how this tamer shapes and defines my eyebrows. It gives a natural, polished look that lasts. The brush applicator is precise and easy to use, allowing for quick and effortless styling of my eyebrows. Number 1. LAVONE 2-in-1 Waterproof Microblading Brow Pen. Introducing the LAVONE 2-in-1 Waterproof Microblading Brow Pen. Get salon-quality brows from the comfort of your home. Its unique 4-tip applicator mimics natural brow hairs for a precise, microblading effect. Achieve a natural, full look with every stroke. This brow pen is completely waterproof and smudge-proof. Enjoy long-lasting where that stays put all day, no matter the conditions. Featuring a built-in brow brush, it's perfect for blending and shaping. This all-in-one tool makes brow perfection simple. Designed for women seeking natural, full brows. It fills in sparse areas and defines your arches for a beautifully sculpted appearance. The rich dark brown shade complements a variety of hair colors. It provides a natural finish that enhances your features. What we like. Achieve a natural, full brow look with this precise micro-tip pen. It's waterproof and smudge-proof. If you want the effect of microblading without the commitment, or if you need a tool for detailed brow filling, this is your go-to. What people say. This Eyebrow Tamer is a game changer for unruly brows, keeping them perfectly in place all day long. The formula is lightweight and doesn't leave any sticky residue, making it comfortable to wear. It provides a natural-looking finish without making brows appear stiff or crunchy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.